Hi, good morning. How are you today? I think you are all fine. Okay. Assalamualaikum all my students. I am Mrs. Por from SMP Negeri 19 Tangerang. I'm very happy to meet you again. This time I want to teach you about simple future tense. Kalian tahu kan simple future tense? Future. Tense ini dipakai untuk menyatakan kegiatan yang akan datang, such as I will go to the party tonight, I will come to your new house, etc. Okay, let me tell you more about it. Are you ready, my students? The learning purpose. Siswa dapat menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan untuk menyatakan dan menanyakan tentang tindakan atau kegiatan atau kejadian yang akan dilaksanakan atau terjadi dalam waktu yang akan datang sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Oke, kita masuk ke materinya. Simple future. Simple future is a tense to express something that will be done in the future. Jadi mengekspresikan kegiatan atau sesuatu yang akan kita laksanakan. Oke, ayo kita pelajarin positif sentence-nya. Positive form. Form untuk positifnya adalah subject plus will plus verb one, atau subject plus will plus be plus ana. Apa sih ana itu? Ana adalah a adjective and noun, a adverb. Jadi be plus adjective, noun dan adverb. Contohnya, example, I will eat breakfast later. She will come to your party tonight. He will be a good doctor next. I will be a good Muslim later. She will be my wife 2 years later. Kita lihat contohnya yang pertama dan kedua. I will eat, will verb 1, and then will come, will verb 1. Yang ketiga, will be a good doctor next. Ananya di sini apa? Subject, will, verbnya be, a good Muslim itu adverb, adjective, a good adjective. Muslim later, adverb, noun dan later. Jelas ya? She will be my wife 2 years later. She subject, will plus verb 1 be, and then my wife itu adjektifnya 2 years later, adverb. Now, how to make negative form? Bentuk negatifnya adalah rumusnya subject plus will plus not plus verb 1, or subject plus will plus not plus ana. Example, I will not eat breakfast later. She will not come to your party tonight. She will not be a doctor next. I will not be a good Muslim later. She will not be my wife 2 years later. Jadi not diletakkan sesudah will. Time signalnya later, tonight, next, later, dan later. Oh ya, kata will not bisa disingkat menjadi won't. Bukan won't ya, kalau won't itu ingin, tetapi won't. Will not atau won't. Oke, kita lanjutkan pada interrogative form. Formnya, will-nya ditarik ke depan menjadi subject. Will plus subject plus verb 1, atau will plus subject plus be plus ana. Example, will I eat breakfast later? Will she come to your party tonight? Will she be a doctor next? Will she be a good Muslim later? Mudah bukan? Kalian tentu lebih gampang mengikutinya. Oke, kita coba lihat pada teksnya nanti. Oke, let's come to the paragraph example. Contoh pada paragraf penggunaan future tense. Ibu bacakan pelan-pelan, diperhatikan. Oke. I'm sure that tomorrow will be a big day. I'll wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I never wake up so early this year, so it is going to be a good start. I have already made a list of activities I'm going to do tomorrow. First of all, I'm going to do self-affirmation. Self-affirmation will influence my day in a positive way. How will do self-affirmation? Let me drink for a while. I'll be grateful. I'll be grateful for what I have achieved. I will appreciate myself and focus on my strength. Thinking of other people's kindness will make feel good. Then I will think of my goal that will motivate me to move forward. Self-affirmation will take about 30 minutes. Second, I'm going to watch some videos about negative and positive thinking. I have prepared those videos which are about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Third, I'm going to do my yoga. I have joined yoga class for 3 months. Finally, I'll do my morning routine and go to work. Yeah, it's going to be wonderful. That's all. Oke, paragraf tadi kita coba analisis coba. Kita lihat future-nya. Di sana ada tomorrow. I'm sure that tomorrow. Tomorrow adalah time signal. Will rumus, be verb 1. And then I'll. I'll disingkat. I'll itu singkatan dari I will. And then so it's going to. Nah, itu rumus dari will. Will tadi bisa diganti juga dengan to be going to. So it is going to be bisa diganti menjadi it will be. Jadi rumus simple future yang kedua adalah to be going to. And then look at next sentence. I have already made a list of activities I'm going to do tomorrow. Sama to be going to. I'm going to do bisa diganti menjadi I will do. Tomorrow adalah time signalnya. Itu paragraf 1. Paragraf kedua, first of all I'm going to do. Nah, itu ketemu lagi future rumus yang kedua, to be going to lagi. Self affirmation will influence, will verb 1. Yang diwarnai merah adalah will rumus. Yang ungu rumus yang merah diganti menjadi to be going to. Jadi will influence menjadi it is going to influence. Let me drink for a while. I'll be grateful. I'll be menjadi dari I will be atau I am going to be. What I have achieved, I will appreciate. I will appreciate myself and focus on and focus on my strength. Will appreciate menjadi, kalau mau pakai rumus kedua, menjadi I am going to appreciate. Thinking of other people's kindness will make feel good. People's kindness will make bisa juga diungkapkan dengan people's kindness is going to make. Then I will think of my goal. I am going to think. That will motivate me. That is going to motivate. Dan seterusnya. Oke, yang ketiga juga begitu sama. Second, I'm going. Nah, jadi kesimpulannya future tense itu ada 2 rumus. Bisa menggunakan will, bisa juga menggunakan to be going to. Oke, Ibu kasih tugas sekarang. Next, I am sure tomorrow will be a big day. I'll wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to do self-affirmation. Self-affirmation will influence my day in a positive way. Self-affirmation will take about 30 minutes. Nah, itu tadi contoh yang menggunakan will dan verb 1. Juga contoh pola kedua to be going to. Oke. The last, your task. Tugas kalian. Find a kind of future paragraph, then rewrite and analyze as the example above. 2 paragraph at least, 2 paragraf saja. Boleh ikuti contoh di atas. And then the next, make 2 sentences in positive, negative, and interrogative using future tense. Boleh diambil dari kalimat yang ada di teks yang di atas. Atau boleh membuat sendiri, silakan. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you next time. Assalamualaikum. See you later.